Welcome back, guys. Sorry this video has taken so long to come out, but unfortunately buying houses isn't as quick as purchasing a camper van. So the bungalow has sold. We're just waiting for the contracts and everything to go through. We're looking probably around about 2 to 3 weeks time, and that's why I haven't come back on you and updated the DIY renovation channel part of this. Basically, we've sold the bungalow, sold the terraced house, and we've put an offer in which has been accepted for a house which is still in the village where we live at the moment. The house does need a lot of work. It hasn't been lived in for 3 years, and there's big extension going to be required. And every single wall in the house has wallpaper. So yeah, we've got a lot of stripping back. We've got damp to sort out. We've got roof issues to sort out. But we bought it as an ongoing project. We know that it was going to be a big project. We're hoping to live up in the 2 bedrooms upstairs and turn the third bedroom into a living room, just to start off with, so that we can move in and that we've got everything that we need and we can live a little bit comfortable whilst working on a building site or living in a building site. We're really super excited about it. It's taken quite a bit. We've been to see so many houses, and this one just seems to tick the boxes, and it's in an area that we really like. So yeah, looking forward to it. The terraced house finally sold. It just goes to show how you have to tweak things. We dropped the price by £5,000. It came into the next buyer's price bracket, and within 24 hours the house had sold. So yeah, it was just one of those things that we just needed to tweak about, and we got it to go in. Really can't thank our estate agent enough. They've been fantastic, in all fairness. It's just the process. I can't understand how it takes so long to buy a house in the UK. It just takes months, not weeks, months, for all the paperwork and all the searches and everything to be done, which is quite frustrating sometimes. But hey ho, it is what it is. We're moving forward. We're going to go for it. I'm constantly at the moment watching YouTube channels. So anybody doing DIY house renovations or anything like that, pop it in the comments. Let me know what ones you're watching, because I'm trying to find as many as I can to learn as many new skills as I can and just see what I'm going to be able to do, because I want to try and do as much of the renovation as I can myself. Albeit the bigger stuff, I will get somebody who's qualified in to come and do those bits for me. But I'm hoping I can help out as well at the same time. So thank you very much for all the new subscribers. We really do appreciate it. We do seem to have increased quite a bit recently. So thank you very much for that. And please stick with the channel. We've got a few different areas that we're going off in at the moment. We've got the house renovations, but also me and Riley are off to Canada. Riley's competing in the Taekwondo World Championship over there. So we're off over there on Wednesday next week. We're flying over with Air Canada, and we're going to be over there for 7 days. And we've got a few things planned that we're going to be doing over there, and I'm going to video as much as I can of his competition as well. So please, he absolutely loves it when you comment and you subscribe and that you make comments or like his posts about his taekwondo and everything. He absolutely gets blown away by all the comments that people do make. So please, if you do watch this video, hit the like. Please leave a comment for Riley and wish him good luck for his competition. He's worked super hard. He's training 7 days a week at the moment, and really pushing as hard as he can to win this world championship. He came second last year. So he's really kind of put as much effort in as he can this year to boost himself up to come first and be the best in the world in his category. So thank you very much, like I said, for all the support and everything. And stay tuned. There is so much going to be going on in this channel. We've got house movements, we've got holidays, we've got kit car to do it, we've got camper van that's still being built and everything as well. We've just got so much going on. We are a really widespread channel. I do understand that, but I'll try and do it in little sections so that you can watch whichever sections you want to watch, whether you want to watch the house renovation, the camper van build, the holidays and adventures, or Riley doing his taekwondo. I'll try and split it up into playlists so that you can just come and watch whatever you want. I don't want to start multiple channels up. We never was a multiple channel. This channel and this YouTube channel was all started for us to look back and make memories. And that has worked because obviously with Granny passing away, we can look back and see adventures that we did with her, and we don't lose those memories. It's amazing. It really is nice to look back and see Mum enjoying herself and coming on holidays and doing things with us. So yeah, YouTube has its good things and its bad things, I know, but our good thing out of YouTube is that we get to look back at our memories and we appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe. Please hit the like. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to let me know who you're watching on YouTube for house renovations at the moment. Really interested in that. Thanks very much, guys. Catch you all later.